So the next item is logos. These are basically the you see these on many websites. These are basically logos for Product Hunt, TechCrunch, etc. So you just like add this item and you just replace the logos with the logos of the site you are featured on. This the next item is media cover. Like say I want to put this photo inside a MacBook. So I'll just select media cover. Then I'll put the photo. I can even add a video. That's fine too. Like I can add a YouTube video or something like that. That is totally fine. And then I can also link it to some say free trial. And if I turn this scroll option here, then it will start scrolling this image inside that media element. And I can just like change this. If I want to change this MacBook into a monitor, then I'll just click this, or I can just like change it into a Polaroid or a tablet or a mobile phone. And then using this option here, like you want to create a nice effect, so I can just say three number of items and it will now show like three different sort of item, and I can like change it however I like. Okay, so this is a media cover. It's very useful. It's used on a lot of websites, and it's very easy to put your photos inside some display option.